Hello ladies and gentlemen all over the world. Today I'm going to show you my special unique thing. I have a special talent. I can make noise out of my ears. Now listen carefully. Come close. Listen carefully. Now from the left side. Now from both. Now take it out.